Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start in waist-deep water with gear ready. Submersible detector, snorkel or mask, gloves, and a mesh bag. Turn on and select a balanced coil mode. You want stable threshold and rejection set low enough to hear small targets. Sweep slowly. Keep coil parallel to the bottom about 1-3 inches off substrate. Once done, test on a known target, coin or pull tab, so you know the audio signature and adjust sensitivity for chatter versus depth. You now move into a systematic pattern. Create 1 2-meter lanes and sweep in slow overlapping arcs. Keep the coil steady and parallel to the bottom to maximize depth and reduce false signals. A steady cadence helps you learn subtle target tones. Once you hit a signal, pause and do pinpointing passes in a cross pattern to isolate it, then probe gently with a hand trowel or finger. Make sure to bag each find so you don't misidentify repeat signals. You finish by carefully recovering targets and preserving gear. Dig a small trench or use a slotted trowel, then sift the material in a mesh bag to reveal the item. Bag and label each find. After the session, rinse your detector and coil in fresh water, remove batteries, and air dry to prevent corrosion. If you encounter constant chatter or false positives, reduce sensitivity, try a different frequency or mode, and check coil connections. These steps solve most.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.